Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 15-02 NAS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots. Identify the existing RAM module. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the current module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick away from it. The module will pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at a 30-degree angle, ensuring the notches on the RAM align with the keys in the slot. Once in place, press down firmly until the clips click back into position, securing the RAM. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the upgrade and cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace all screws securely, ensuring that the panel is firmly attached. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and check if the new RAM is recognized. You can do this by right-clicking on this PC, selecting Properties, and checking the installed memory. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. We also provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what your laptop needs. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair, with no calls or travel required. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded the RAM in your HP 15B025 NS laptop. Enjoy the enhanced performance and improved multitasking capabilities that come with this upgrade. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.